I believe that each person should feel luxurious in their own home. You should be able to create your own utopia, regardless of the size of your house or the amount of money that you have in your bank account. I know that I have created the best decor line, and these pillows will make your home and give you the wow factor that you're looking for. The color in this pillow is drop dead gorgeous. It's that perfect color apple green. And you've got two tones. One is a little bit darker and then a lighter color. And I'm mixing that with the gray and the beige. And this pillow will work with so many different design or decor choices because of the colors. There is no one color in here that's dominant or bam in your face. It is the entire pillow or the pillow in its entirety that makes it look so amazing. I love this pattern or any pillow that has a great pattern. The reason why we choose pattern on pillows is because it keeps it interesting and it stops it from being boring. This pattern is traditional, but yet what we call transitional, meaning it has a flair to it, it has a flavor to it, and I just love it. Pattern in this pillow is structured, but yet it's not. You've got your scrolls and your curves, and then you've got structured straight lines running through. The contrast between the two and the color combination is what makes this pillow dynamic. Why is the shape of a pillow so important? The shape dictates and it aligns with the style of decor. For me, I always choose, and I would always say, choose something square, because square is what can be traditional, it can be transitional, but most important, it's not trendy. You could never get tired of a square. The significance of having a square pillow is because it's symmetrical. It is equal, and there has to be a scientific, I don't know the scientific reason, but there has to be a scientific reason why our eyes are drawn to a square. And it's probably because they're equal on all four sides, and then you have your center design, and this is what draws your eye, and this is what, when you place a pillow on the sofa, you're gonna say, wow, I love that. The patterns that I've selected for each and every one of these pillows makes it easy for you to set up. Anybody can set up a pillow on their sofa, or why you should set up nice pillows on your sofa. One of the reasons, or how you can do this, it is so easy to set up your pillows. I always start with two things. You'll take your pattern pillow and you have a solid pillow. What you need to do is decide which one you want to see the most of. Since I have a white sofa as my background, I want to see the pattern. Therefore, I take my white pillow or my solid. This could be any color. It can be the gray or the green, but any solid. And then I will align my pattern pillow in front of that. That looks really good. I've created a triangle. White, pattern, white. Now, let me show you how to do the same thing by placing the pattern behind it. Let's say you wanted things to be a little bit more subtle and you did not necessarily want to see so much pattern. You put the pattern behind. There's a peekaboo effect. Now take a look at that. The majority of what you see, again, is going to be the lightness and the pattern just peekaboos, and it says, hello, I'm here. This pattern and this color was selected with the girl who loves pink in mind, and it is the #1 requested pillow color is this pink. I created this color for spring, Christmas. Last Christmas, you guys remember, I had pink, lavender, and purple going on. These pillows are absolutely gorgeous. This fabric, since it's a cotton, can be inside or outside. Absolutely love this pattern with the pink. You have the neutral tone, coffee, beige, and what did we do for the backdrop? Gray. I designed this pillow because of the color, the black, the gray, the white. These are colors that will go with any type of decor. This will go with blue, it will go with green, and the black and the white is something that is classic. And I know we've been doing a lot of black and white for the last 10 years. I've been placing black in homes for at least 10 years now, but it's just now becoming popular. So this pillow with this Chanel fabric is absolutely gorgeous. The actual pattern in the pillow is made within the imprint of the pillow. You talk about classy and gorgeous, and it also has a Chanel, and then it feels like a velvet on top. But to be honest with you, this one has a little bit of a mohair. You know, mohair fabrics are forever. It is two-toned again, that gorgeous white on the back side of it. So you can elect to have your pillow all white if I wanted to put 3 pillows together, and then decide. Look at that. Is that not classic? Is that not gorgeous? Love it. So this is the reason why I designed this particular pattern, and I want to bring you pillows that have a pattern, pillows that have the wow factor, because anything else you can get at a local store. I started my own decor line because I wasn't seeing the things that I wanted to utilize in my own design with clients. It was so difficult for me to source out various things, but I knew what I wanted for the finished product with the client. I had it here, but I wasn't seeing it from the design houses, or I wasn't seeing it at the retail store. You can go to Home Goods or Marshalls or some of these retail stores, but what you're not gonna see is this pillow. You will not see this pillow. You will not see this pattern, the color combination. You will not see it being two-tone for you to have an option if you want it to be all white or if you want to see color. But guess what? Most important, you're not going to see this type of pillow for this price. It's just not going to happen. So I started my own decor line because I know what I want to see in a beautiful design and a beautiful house, and I want to share that with you guys. If I'm struggling as a designer to find the right things at great prices, I know you guys are. If I decided to purchase a pillow like this pillowcase, just like this from a design house, I'm gonna pay upwards $150 and up for this type of pillow because it is something that is unique. It's ornate. You're not gonna see this pattern everywhere. So that's what they're gonna charge me. And then in return, I've gotta go around and my clients look at me like I'm crazy when they have to pay $150 for a pillow. It's ridiculous. So that's one of the main reasons why I started my line was price point. Where else? I can bring this pillow to you at a cheaper price point, but not only that, I want to bring you things that you're not going to see at an everyday outlet store. And these things are going to elevate your home style and make your home look luxurious. Pillows. We'll talk about the other things later. This pattern was selected for my girlies who just don't like a lot of pattern but want something that's monochromatic but a little patterns. Therefore, this was chosen, and I absolutely love this pattern. It has Chanel in between. The outline of the pattern, and this is velvet. Look at the detail in this leaf. Just look at the detail. Absolutely gorgeous. And so since I wanted to keep a creamy mono theme, the back of this pillow is not stark white, but I placed an off-white beige velvet, and a lot of these pillows do have velvet in it because velvet is a material that is absolutely luscious. Now let's talk about the shape and size of this pillow. This one is more horizontal, and that's because it gives it more of a subdued approach. Very, very subdued. You've got your floral at the top, your pattern here. All of my pillows include piping, and that piping just adds another layer of elegance, another layer of just being luxurious. Also, all of the pillows are zippered so that when you want to switch out for the seasons, all you need to do is unzip. This pillow does definitely need to be dry cleaned, but this is made of a cotton. You can throw this in the washer and let it dry. I air dry my pillows. I don't put them in the dryer because sometimes in the dryer, I just don't like the effect of what the dryer does. So this pillow is off-white. It's a beigey color, but it has that mocha. It has the coffee color, the mocha, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I just want to hug this pillow. It is so comfortable and luscious. I chose this color and pattern. Well, look at it. It is absolutely gorgeous. This fuchsia pink with this chocolate brown. And this is for my girlies who want to say, OMG, wow. Look at me, look at my pillow. This is adorable. So this pink, well, I'm saying it's pink, but it's really a fuchsia color, and the brown, it's to die for. And I'll be honest with you, I am such a foodie. When I saw this chocolate brown, it made me hungry. I thought that this was like a milk chocolate candy bar, and it just looked adorable. So this is why I chose this color. Now, the shape that I'm choosing, again, I want to keep it in a square and make it transitional. So that's why I chose the square. If I would have placed it in a horizontal or rectangular pattern, I think that shape would take away from the pattern. And what I want to take the forefront is the pattern. I want this pattern and the pillow with the pink and the brown, I want it to shine. I created this color pattern with the taupe, and it almost has an olive green leaf underneath, and the gold, because it gives you a variety. Let's say you have a black sofa or a blue sofa. Placing this on the sofa, solid color, it's wow. It gives you that pop of color that you're looking for, but yet it's subtle. It is two-tone, very yellow and gold on the back, and the pattern is on the front. Let's take a look. If I decided to place 3 pillows on this sofa and I wanted to do the white, we've talked about that, having a white background solid. Now we've got the gold. Put this one in here, boom. Does this say wow? Does this say luxurious against a white backdrop for a sofa? I think it looks fabulous. Let's talk about this chocolate, mocha, and gray in one pillow. This color is dynamic, and I love the pattern of the wave. It reminds me of an ocean. It just reminds me of the forest. This is such a great color. It is universal. The piping that goes around the pillow, all the way around, the pillows do zip up at the bottom, and you don't have bunny ears. This one is two-tone, the pattern on the front, and that luscious white cotton on the back. Absolutely love this. What I want to show you guys is this Chanel textured pillow that is an off-white. Such an elegant color. Most off-white pillows have a yellow undertone. This one doesn't. It's beige. Beige is beige. Off-white is off-white, and one of the main reasons why I created this pillow line, because I want to make sure that you get the colors and the textures that will make your home luxurious. Look at these two together. This, it's so soft and luxurious. I wish you guys could feel it. Absolutely gorgeous. We've been talking so much about color and luxurious and things are beautiful that we cannot pass up the fact that a pillow needs to be functional. And this pillow here with the two-tone pattern, I'll show you guys, it's two-tone. You get the light on this side, flip it over, bam, and here's the dark. It is so functional, soft, luxurious. The color pattern, because I've selected this pattern, which is a multi-eyelet pattern all over, it hides a lot of stains if you have kids that you're working with. The function of a pillow is so important. Not only can we tie in pillows or use pillows for function, but it does help to tie in the color scheme in decor or in a room. This would still be considered a neutral because it is a neutral color. It just has a pattern. Put that together with the beige chenille and this is what you get. Something that is absolutely gorgeous, drop dead, luxurious, comfy, and functional. It's so soft and luxurious. I wish you guys could feel it. Absolutely gorgeous. Just simply amazing. Are you kidding me?
These are soft too. Just absolutely gorgeous and soft and sweet.